हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, जी पैट रिवीजन क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज का जो एमसीक्यू है वो सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम से है और ये पार्ट 3 है। ओके, पार्ट 2 और पार्ट 1 जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में मिल जाएंगे, तो आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। चलिए देखते हैं पार्ट 3। 41 क्वेश्चन नंबर, डिफ्यूजन हाइपोक्सिया इज प्रोड्यूस बाय फ्लोइंग इनहेलेशन एनेस्थेटिक। ए हैलोथन, बी मिथॉक्सीफ्लोरिन्स sorry methoxyfluorine, C isoflurane, and D N2O. Which one answer? The answer is D N2O. Okay, next is 42 question number, heroin differs from morphine in all respect except A synthetic congener of morphine, B more constipation, C slowly metabolized to morphine, या D none of above. Which one answer? The answer is B more constipation. Okay, next is 43 question number, all of the following are monoamine oxidase inhibitor except A phenylgene, B isocarboxazide, C trenyl cypromine, and D maprotilene. Which one answer? The answer is B isocarbo isocarboxazide. ये क्या होता है? इज यूज टू ट्रीट डिप्रेशन। ये किस चीज़ को ट्रीट करता है? डिप्रेशन को, इन पीपल हु हैव नॉट बीन हेल्प बाय अदर एंटी डिप्रेसेंट. Isocarboxazide is in a class of medication called monoamine oxidase. इसको क्या बोलते हैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म में? MAO इनिबिटर. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 44 क्वेश्चन नंबर, which of the following is the only IV anesthetic to produce cardiovascular stimulation? A etomidate, B ketamine, C fentanyl, D thiopentyl. Which one answer? The answer is B ketamine. Ketamine क्या होता है? Is a medication primarily used for starting and maintaining anesthesia. Okay, next is 45 question number, the anti-epileptic which inhibit the seizure induced by the administration of picrotoxin is blank. A phenytoin, B carbamazepine, C ethosuximide, and D sodium valproate. Which one answer? The answer is D sodium valproate. ये क्या होता है? इज यूज टू ट्रीट एपिलेप्सी. किस चीज़ में किसको ट्रीट करता है? एपिलेप्सी को एंड बाइपोलर डिसऑर्डर को. इट्स occasionally used to prevent migraine headaches. This medicine is only available on prescription. It comes as capsule. किस में आता है? कैप्सूल में, टैबलेट में और लिक्विड में भी. that you swallow. It also comes as granules that you mix with food or drink. Okay, next is 46 question number, barbiturate excretion in urine may be increased by A dialysis, B acidification, C alkalization, and D none of above. Which one answer? The answer is C alkalization. Okay, next is 47 question number, phenytoin metabolism is inhibited by A disulfiram, B chloramphenicol, INH and cimetidine, C dicumarol and warfarin, D all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is D all of the above. अब डाइफेरम क्या होता है? फिरम क्या होता है? ये इज अ ड्रग used to support the treatment of chronic alcoholism by producing producing an acute sensitivity to ethanol. देन क्लोरम फेनिकोल क्या होता है, इज अ ब्रॉड स्पेक्ट्रम एंटीबायोटिक दैट टिपिकली स्टॉप बैक्टीरिया ग्रोथ, जो बैक्टीरिया ग्रोथ कर रहा है उसको क्या करेगा, स्टॉप कर देगा बाय स्टॉपिंग द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्रोटीन्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट जो ड्रग है IND, आइसोनाइज्ड, इज यूज्ड विथ अदर मेडिकेशन टू ट्रीट एक्टिव ट्यूबरक्लोसिस. शॉर्ट फॉर्म ट्यूबरक्लोसिस क्या होता है, TB इन्फेक्शंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज सिमेटिडिन. इसका क्या होता है, सोल्ड अंडर द ब्रांड नेम टैगरमेंट एमोंग अदर्स, इज अ हिस्टामाइन H receptor agonist that inhibit stomach acid production. It is mainly used in the treatment of heartburn and peptic ulcer. किस किस में यूज होता है, हार्ट बर्न में और पेप्टिक अल्सर में. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज डाइकुमारोल. डाइकुमारोल इज अ हाइड्रोक्सीकुमारिन originally isolated from molding sweet clover है with anticoagulant and vitamin K depletion activities. Dicumarol is a competitive inhibitor of vitamin K epoxide reductase. Thus, it inhibits vitamin K recycling and cause depletion of active vitamin K in blood. Okay, next is 48 question number. Correct statements concerning cocaine is: A, effectively blocks nerve conduction. B, blocks reuptake of norepinephrine. C, produce tachycardia and vasoconstriction. D, all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is D, all of the above. Okay, next is 49 question number. Amantadine in Parkinson acts by: A, stimulating the release of dopamine from storage site. B, decreasing the decarboxylation of dopamine. C, increasing norepinephrine from adrenals. D, none of the above. Which one answer? The answer is A, stimulating the release of dopamine from storage site. Okay, next is 50 question number. Drug of choice in uteric colic is: A, pethidine. B, nitrates. C, adrenaline. And D, all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is A, pethidine. ये क्या होता है, पैथिडीन इंजेक्शन इज यूज टू रिलीव मॉडरेट टू सीवियर पेन. इसको यूज करके, पैथिडीन को यूज करके और रिलीफ किसको कर सकते हैं, सीवियर पेन को. अगर दर्द हो रहा है तो उसको रिलीव कर सकते हैं. इंड्यूसिंग पेन एसोसिएटेड विथ चाइल्ड बर्थ, जिसमें कि चाइल्ड बर्थ में यूज कर सकते हैं, और ड्यूरिंग एन एनेस्थेटिक और फ्लॉइंग एन ऑपरेशन के समय भी. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 51 क्वेश्चन नंबर. मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शंस ऑफ cyproheptadine if given prophylaxis in migraine induce: A, 5-HT2 receptor antagonist. B, blocks calcium channel. C, blocks histamine receptor. And D, all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is D, all of the above. Okay, next is 52 question number. Correct statements concerning imipramine includes: A, it is tricyclic antidepressant. B, increases anxiety in normal subjects. C, it is biotransferred to an active product desipramine. And D, all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is D, all of the above. ऊपर का सभी. Okay, next is 53 question number. Halogenated anesthetic agent obtained considerable favor because A. Cheap, B. Non-explosive, C. Not respiratory depressant, and D. Not CVS depressant. Cardiovascular system, CVS means. Okay. Uh, the answer is B. Non explosive. ये क्या होता है? नॉन एक्सप्लोसिव डिमोलेशन एजेंट्स आर केमिकल दैट आर एन alternative to explosive and gas pressure blasting product in demolition, mining and quarrying. That is called non explosive. Okay. Next is 54 question number. Which of the following benzodiazepine is used as antidepressant? A. Diazepam, B. Mianserin, C. Flumazenil, and D. Lorazepam. Which one answer? The answer is Mianserin. Mianserin क्या होता है? अगर इसको सोल्ड अंडर द ब्रांड नेम इसका देखा जाए तो टॉलवोन अमॉन्ग्स अदर is an atypical antidepressant which is used primarily in the treatment of depression in Europe and elsewhere in the world. It is a tetracyclic antidepressant. इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या बोलेंगे? TECA. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज 55 क्वेश्चन नंबर. Stage second, anesthesia is a stage of A. Analgesia, B. Respiratory depression, C. Excitement or delirium, and D. Surgical anesthesia. Which one answer? The answer is C. Excitement or delirium. Okay. Next is 56 question number. Nitrous oxide is contraindicated in patients with A. myasthenia gravis, B. polycythemia vera, and C. cerebral degeneration, and D. all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is C. cerebral degeneration. ये क्या होता है? Can be caused by a variety of different condition. Neurological disease that can lead to cerebral degeneration include acute and hemorrhagic stroke can result in lack of blood flow. बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लड फ्लो होता है और ऑक्सीजन टू द ब्रेन लीडिंग to the death of neuron in the cerebellum and other brain structure. That is called cerebellum. That is called cerebellar degeneration. Okay. Next is 57 question number. All of the following prostanoid produce bronchoconstriction except A. PGI2, B. PGD2, C. PGF2 alpha, D. TXA2. Which one answer? The answer is A. PGI2. ये क्या होता है? Prostacyclin is a prostaglandin member of the icosanoid family of lipid molecules. It inhibits platelets activation and is also an effective vasodilator. When used as a drug, it is also known as epoprostenol. The term are sometimes used interchangeably. That is called PGI2. Okay. Next is 58 question number. Effect of Fourier is potentiated by flowing anesthetic. A. Enflurane, B. Diethyl ether, C. Halothane, and D. all of the above. Which one answer? The answer is C. Halothane. ये क्या होता है? Is a general inhalation anesthetic used for induction and maintenance of general anesthesia. It reduces the blood pressure and frequently decrease the pulse rate and depress respiration. It induces muscle relaxation and reduce pain sensitivity by altering tissue excitability. That is called halotens. Okay. Next is 59 question number. Which of the following anesthetics should not be used with adrenaline? A. Thiopental. B. Nitrous oxide. C. Cyclopropane. And D. Ether. Which one answer? The answer is C. Cyclopropane. ये क्या होता है? Is the cycloalkane with the molecular formula C3H6 consisting of three carbon atoms linked to each other to form a ring with each carbon atom bearing two hydrogen atoms resulting in D3H molecular symmetry. The small size of the ring creates substantial ring strand in the structures. That is called cyclopropane. Okay. Next is 60 question number. Short half-life of thiopental is primarily due to A. Excretion of drug, B. Metabolism of drug, and C. Redistribution of drug, and D. All of the above. Which one answer? The answer is C. Redistribution of drug. ये क्या होता है? Highly lipid soluble drug given by intravenous or inhalation method are initially distributed to organ with high blood flow. Later, less vascular but more bulky tissues such as muscle and fat take up the drug. Plasma concentration falls and the drug is withdrawn from this site. That is called redistribution. Okay. Next is, thank you for watching my channel. सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. ओके. चलिए तब तक के लिए बाय. बाद में मिलते हैं. सॉरी, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. ओके.